Welcome to Salub. Get ready to dive into an engaging English story that will challenge and enhance your listening skills. After the narrative, we'll have a quiz to test your understanding. Listen carefully.
Hi, Dorothy. Have you thought about the costume for the company Halloween party?
Hi, Thomas. Of course. I want to dress up as a bee. What do you think?
A bee? Well, I was thinking of something more discreet, perhaps a simple vampire.
Ah, Thomas, but I love bees. They're so cute and important for the environment.
I understand, Dorothy, but I think a complete bee is a bit much for an office party, don't you?
But it'll be so much fun. I can buzz around and dance like a lively little bee.
I just want something quieter, something that doesn't draw too much attention.
How about I'm a bee, but with less detail? A simpler version.
That sounds like a good idea. I could be a vampire, but without huge wings and scary fangs.
I agree. That way, we won't look too out of place at the party. What do you say we get together and pick out the details?
Great idea, Dorothy. We can go shopping together to pick up the right accessories.
Perfect. I promise my bee will be more discreet, and you can be a stylish vampire.
Deal, Dorothy. It's going to be an amazing party, I'm sure. And who knows? Maybe the bee and the vampire will make an unbeatable duo.
Absolutely. I can't wait to see our costumes together. It'll be so much fun.
I'm excited too. Let's make sure our costumes complement each other and that everyone has a good time at the party.
Deal, Thomas. It'll be the best Halloween party in the company. See you there.
See you, Dorothy. Let's rock our costume choices.
We hope you enjoyed the story. Now it's time to put what you've heard to the test. Our quiz will challenge you to remember and understand the details of the narrative. Come on, take part in the quiz and test your knowledge. We hope you enjoyed the story, aced the quiz, and enriched your vocabulary. If this video added any value to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. We look forward to continuing this learning journey together. Hope to see you soon.